Hi, my name is Lindsay.
Hi, I'm Cassandra, and we're the ambassador family for St. John Paul II. We have 3 daughters currently enrolled in the school. Madison is in grade 2, Abigail is in senior kindergarten, and Bailey is in junior kindergarten. The school is just a really family-oriented place to be. It feels like a second family. When we send the kids there, I honestly don't have any worries about them because I know they're in a place where people care and love them, essentially. When I pick up my kids from school, they are always super excited to see me, but I get the sense that they're almost sad to leave the school and they are extremely excited to go to the school the next day. My daughter in kindergarten will get tired, obviously, sometimes, and will come home saying, "Oh, Miss Cameron just gave me cuddles just like grandma." There's so many memories. Candy Cane Lane, getting ready for that. Previous to COVID, they would do a party, a Christmas party for the students and the parents, and we'd go and have hot chocolate and wander through the school and do some sledding. And then the next year, they did the Christmas concert, and the kids just were so overjoyed to be able to participate in something so fun.
One of the things I think is pretty neat, when the kids go to school, their English gets better. They also learn how to speak 2 more languages, French and Ojibwe, which I think is pretty impressive.
I think it's amazing that they learn Ojibwe in school and gives them the opportunity to learn and be involved in other cultures. St. John Paul II School, I would encourage anybody to send their child there. It feels like home. The kids go there and they learn so much in such a short amount of time. The teachers care so much about their students. The EA and the staff, everybody at the school cares about their students, cares about the school. They make sure every child is fed and clothed and taken care of, and there's nowhere else I could think that I would want to send my children.